Our team started in 1999. Today, the company is now a full solution supplier on floor grinding and polishing floor and surface preparation field with rotary floor grinding machine, planetary floor grinding and polishing machine, burnisher, scarifier, shot blast machine. Driven with the core value to provide excellence, Xingyi focuses on research and development of intelligent floor surface preparation equipment and high-technology innovations, and develops automated and remote-controlled grinding machines. High-precision gear-driven mechanism with smart control features greatly improve the work efficiency of the workers. Xingyi acquired vast experience in grinding, polishing, hardening, dyeing, repairing, and sealing concrete, terrazzo, and many other floor types. Its shining flat polished concrete system receives good recognition in the industry, won over 300 patents. It's open to OEM and ODM production from clients, and with certification of CE. Service customers over 10,000 companies cover 130 countries and 38 partners around the world. Since 2011, Xingyi conducts its annual Floor Technology Seminar in March. The unwavering effort to share its knowledge and technology has attracted more and more participants around the globe. In 2019, the number of individuals that joined the seminar exceeds 200. The mission of Xingyi is to enable the global floor laborers to work with health and happiness. Our vision is to build a leading brand of global self-propelled floor equipment and become an industry benchmark, recruiting partners from all over the world.